Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a calendar in Trello, so let's get right into it. Now, once you create your board, it will look something like this. You have just your board view, maybe even the table view. It doesn't really matter, but that's what it's going to look like. Of course, you won't have these lists, you won't have the cards. However, that's not the topic here. To create a calendar, what you need to do is, first of all, have a premium version, whether it's a paid subscription or a free trial, it doesn't matter. You just need to have it to edit the workspace views and edit them. So yeah, just go ahead and check off calendar, and it should appear here in your view menu. Just click on calendar and you'll appear here. Now, as you can see, I already have a task, and this means that the start date is set to the 15th, the due date is set to the 18th. So that's why it's here. And it also has this, what's it called? A label, right? It's labeled green, so that's why it's in my calendar. But yeah, you can move around with your calendar by using these arrows here. Move it around through dates or months. You can click on it and select a specific date. You can click today to go back to the current date. You can select month view, week view, or day view, depending on what you want. And you can click here to add either a list or a card. I'm just going to add a card. Select a list to add it to. I'll add it to test. Name it test 2. Set a start date of today and the due date of the 19th of September. Click add card. And as you can see, it has been created. Now, I don't know why it doesn't go all the way to the 19th of September. It should be set to that. I'm not sure why it isn't. So let me just go ahead and edit that back. And I'm not sure why it isn't changing. So let me just select it through this. And there we go. Oh, right. I didn't click save. But now that I click save, as you can see, it goes all the way to the 19th, like so. And it's above the test 2, which is smaller than this one. Not sure why you named them the same, but it doesn't matter. And yeah, that's how you make a calendar. You can also click sync to personal calendar. It will look something like this. So you'll need to enable the URL first, and then copy this URL and enter it, for example, to Google Calendar, where you can edit or add a unofficial calendar to it, and then add the dates there. And that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.